Hello, can you solve for x in x to the power of 3 equal to 7 to the power of 3? I'm going to use two things. One, algebraic formula, and then I'm going to show you a new way of solving quadratic formula in this mathematical solution. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Now, let's get started. Now, if we're given this expression s to the power of 3 equal to 7 to the power of 3, I can simply use algebraic expression that represent the third power. Now, if I take the power of 7 to the power of 3, 7 to the power of 3 to the left-hand side, I'll have this expression to become x to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3, and this will be equal to 0, right? If that is equal to 0, we can now flash our mind back to that algebraic expression. Now, if we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this can be equal to, do you recall this? A minus b, right? And then we'll have this to become a squared plus the first and second AB plus B squared, right? Good. From this expression, our A is equal to X, and then our B is equal to 7. Now, if we insert that expression into that algebraic formula, we're going to have this to become X minus 7, right? And this will be multiplied by X squared plus 7x, right? X times 7 is 7x plus 7 squared, and all this will be equal to 0. Great. In the next step, we're going to simplify this. If we simplify this, we'll have our x minus 7, and this will become x squared plus 7x plus 49, right? And this will be equal to 0. 7 squared is 49. Now we have what we call the zero product. In this zero product rule, we can look at x minus 7 to be equal to 0. And we can equally have x squared plus 7x plus 49 to be equal to 0. Great. Now, if we look at this very well, we can see from this first expression that the value of our x, if we add 7 to both sides, can be equal to 7. Hence, x1 is equal to 7. Now, with this having a quadratic expression here, that means we can simply find other two values, x2 and x3. Now, from this algebraic quadratic expression, we can look at this as ax squared minus bx or plus bx plus c equal to 0. From this expression, you can see that a is equal to 1, right? B is equal to 7, and then our c is equal to 49. Now let's assume that our y is equal to x squared plus 7 squared plus 7x plus 49, which is the algebraic, which is the quadratic expression. Now I can simply use this, the differentiation of this with respect to s can be equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, which is partly quadratic formula. Now, if I differentiate this part, I'm going to have the dy dx of x squared plus 7x plus 49, and that is going to give me 2x, right, plus 7, and this will be equal to plus or minus the square root of b square is 7 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c, which is 49. Great. Now that expression is going to give me 2x plus 7 equal to plus or minus the square root of 7 square is 49, right? Minus 4 times 9 is going to give me 196. Great. So 196 minus 49, or 49 minus 196 will be equal to plus or minus the square root of negative, that will give me negative 147, right? Good. So that will give me a negative 147 because 6 is 16, 9 minus 16, 9 minus 16 minus 9 is going to give me 7. So it's 147. So we'll be left with 2x plus 7, right? Great. Now, with this expression, I can simply expand this to give me 147 can be equal to 147 can be equal to, if I have 147, my 147 can be equal to, if I have 49 times 3, 49 times 3 multiplied by 3 can give me 147 because 9 times 3 will give me 27. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, 14. So I can replace that, and that expression will give me 2x plus 7 equal to plus or minus the square root of 49 multiplied by 3 multiplied by negative 1, right? So that can be simplified further to give me 2x plus 7 equal to plus or minus the square root of 49 multiplied by the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of negative 1. So my 2x plus 7 can be equal to plus or minus square root of 49 is going to give me 7 root 3, and this is going to give me negative 1 is going to give me j. So to simplify this, we are going to have 2x equal to negative 7, subtracting 7 from both sides, plus or minus 7 multiplied by the square root of 3j. Now, from this expression, we can simply divide both sides by 2. If we divide both sides by 2, dividing both sides by 2, we'll have the value of our x to be equal to negative 7 plus or minus 7 root 3j, and this will be divided by 2. So the value of x2 can be equal to the value of x. We have the value of x1 to be equal to 7. X2 will be equal to negative 7 plus 7 multiplied by the square root of 3j divided by 2, and then x3 will be equal to negative 7 minus 7 multiplied by root 3j divided by 2. And these are the solution to that mathematical expression given to us up there. So you see, very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.